Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cleaning and isolating the damaged area so you can see the real scratch. Use soapy water, dry it, then mask around the scratch to protect the intact paint. Next, lightly sand only the scratched zone with 1500-2000 grit to smooth edges and remove flaking. This creates a feathered transition for better adhesion. Work gently, check progress often, and make sure the surface is even and matte before moving to primer and touch-up paint. Once the surface is matte and clean, apply a thin primer layer to bare metal or plastic. This promotes adhesion and prevents rust. Allow the primer to become tacky, then apply the factory-match touch-up paint in thin, controlled strokes using a fine brush or pen. Build the paint in several thin coats rather than one thick coat. This prevents runs and helps match the surrounding finish. Make sure each layer levels out before adding the next so you achieve a flush, even fill. After paint cures, wet sand lightly with 1500-2000 grit to blend transition and remove high spots, then clean the area. Apply 2-3 thin clear coat layers to protect and restore gloss. Allow full drying between coats. Once cured, polish with a rubbing compound and finish with a fine polish to match surrounding shine. If you see color mismatch or peeling, stop and reevaluate. Remove the clear coat to the paint, feather sand again, and repeat primer/paint steps to correct adhesion or color issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.